Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about one compilation error faced during our C programming. As you can see in my screen, the error says that the variable sized object may not be initialized. So what could be the reason for this error? So let's check into our code. By observing this code, you may think that everything is proper in this code. But if you clearly observe, you can find that the size of test error is a variable, and this is the reason for the error. In C or C++, the array size must be a constant value and it cannot be changed once after the array is declared, because the memory for an array is allocated during the compile time and the size of the array must be known during that time. If we use a variable instead of a constant value, the value assigned to the variable will be available once the compilation is done. Due to that, the array size will be unknown during the compilation time, and this will create the compilation error that we are facing right now. So now, the next immediate question will come into our mind is, can we pass the array size as a function argument? The answer is no. Even if we pass the array size as a function argument, it will not be available during the compilation time. But we can use the function argument as an array index to access the array elements. We can't use a variable to declare an array size, but we can use a variable as an array index to access the array elements. Now, to solve this compilation error, we have two options. Option 1 is to use a constant value for the array size, and option 2 is we can use a macro to represent the array size. So now you can see the compilation issue is solved. Hope I can able to share some useful information through this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And please subscribe my channel to get more information related to coding. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.